Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify withdrawal status on Kraken, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your withdrawal status on Kraken, start by logging into your Kraken account. Navigate to the dashboard after you successfully log in. Look for the Funding tab on the main menu. Click on the Funding tab to access various funding options. Once in the Funding section, locate the Withdrawals option. Click on Withdrawals to view your withdrawal history. Here, you will see a list of all your recent withdrawals. Identify the specific withdrawal you want to check. Next to each withdrawal, you will find its current status. The status may display as pending, complete, cancelled, or failed. If you see pending, this means your withdrawal is still being processed. For complete, your withdrawal has been successfully finished. If your status shows as cancelled, this indicates that the withdrawal request was not fulfilled. Failed means there was an issue preventing your withdrawal. If you have questions about a specific transaction, click on it for more details. This will provide additional information such as the transaction ID and timestamp. If you need further assistance, visit Kraken's support section. Here, you can find more resources or reach out to customer support directly. Remember to check your email for any notifications related to your withdrawal. This may include confirmation of the transaction or alerts about issues. By following these steps, you'll be able to verify the status of your withdrawals on Kraken easily. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.